Welcome to the Head and Neck Cancer 2020 video series, presented by St Vincent's Hospital Sydney, the Kinghorn Cancer Centre and St Vincent's Private Hospital Sydney.
Well, look, I'm a former head and neck cancer patient, and I very much wanted to have a forum, a public forum that had both members of multidisciplinary teams and head and neck cancer patients and their families all together talking about improvements in treatment to improve survival and quality of life. And what was critical about this idea was that both the clinicians and the patients and family were all together, because I'd seen that done with prostate cancer patients and breast cancer patients. And I thought, wow, it's so much more powerful if everybody's together. And we organised this fantastic forum that was due to happen in June. And then COVID-19 came along, and I knew it was going to be at least a couple of years before we could gather together in a room. So I went to Associate Professor Richard Gallagher, who was my surgeon, and Dion Forstner, who's head of radiation at St Vincent's Hospital Sydney, and I said, instead, let's not waste all this work. Let's do a series of video interviews. So what I really wanted to do was to capture really useful information to raise awareness of just how tough head and neck cancer treatment is, how important teamwork is during and after treatment to give us a chance to survive and thrive.
Head and neck cancer treatment innovations, improving survival and quality of life, providing up-to-date evidence-based information for everyone in the head and neck cancer community. Presented by Julie McCrossin, a head and neck cancer survivor. Media production by Daniel Taylor at Insight IT. Celebrating World Head and Neck Cancer Day, 27th of July, 2020. Innovations in surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, dental care, managing distress and recovery, managing mask anxiety, remove the mask research, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander patients, family and community. Discussions of innovations that are improving survival and quality of life for patients with head and neck cancers. The 2020 Head and Neck Cancer video series. Presented by St Vincent's Hospital Sydney, the Kinghorn Cancer Centre and St Vincent's Private Hospital Sydney.